It's fall, y'all. Let's make a homemade pumpkin spice latte. We're gonna make the pumpkin spice mixture. So you need a cup of either half and half, or you can absolutely use non-dairy milk for this. You could use almond milk or coconut milk. I had half and half I needed to use up. I'm gonna use a third of a cup of just good old pumpkin puree. We're gonna use a quarter cup of maple syrup. That's where it'll get its sweetness. We're gonna use a little bit of this vanilla paste or vanilla extract, about a tablespoon. You measure vanilla with your heart. About a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. And I'm gonna put just a little bit of cinnamon in here. Not even gonna measure, I'm just gonna go like shake, shake, shake. All right, that's everything. We're gonna pour it into a jar and it'll keep in the fridge for a couple of weeks. Like these pourable lids, I get these from an online store called Mason Jar Lifestyle. Now that it's made, you can use it a couple different ways. It's not quite cold enough for hot coffee for me yet, so I'm still drinking cold brew. This is my decaf cold brew. You can find the recipe on my blog. So I'm gonna try it on the cold brew. Mwah! Or you can pour it in hot coffee. It's very good. It's not super sweet. If you want it sweeter, you could either add a little bit of stevia or monk fruit or sugar, or you could increase the maple syrup. It definitely is pumpkin-y and very fall. Try it.